Hey there, science fans! Have you seen these electric scooters popping up everywhere? They're like little rockets for your feet. In cities around the world, people are ditching cars and hopping onto these zippy contraptions. Why? Well, they're fun, easy to use, and good for the environment, but how do they actually work? Let's break it down. These scooters might seem simple, but inside they're packed with cool technology. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. We're gonna learn about the basic parts that make these scooters go vroom. Get ready to explore the science of electric scooters and how they're changing the way we move around cities. First up, let's talk about what makes these scooters move. The motors and batteries. These two components are the heart and soul of any electric scooter, working together to provide a smooth and efficient ride. Without them, your scooter would be nothing more than a fancy piece of metal and plastic. Imagine a tiny engine tucked inside the wheel hub. That's our electric motor. This motor is responsible for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy, which then propels the scooter forward. It's a marvel of modern engineering, compact yet powerful. It's like a mini powerhouse that converts electricity into motion, making the wheels spin. When you twist the throttle, the motor kicks into action, delivering a burst of energy that gets you moving. The sensation is almost instantaneous, providing a seamless riding experience. Most electric scooters use something called a brushless DC motor, or BLDC for short. These motors are known for their efficiency and durability. Unlike traditional motors, BLDC motors have fewer moving parts, which means less wear and tear and a longer lifespan. These motors are super efficient, meaning they can make the scooter go far without wasting much energy. This efficiency is crucial for extending the range of the scooter, allowing you to travel longer distances on a single charge. It's all about getting the most out of every watt of power. But where does that energy come from? You guessed it, the battery. The battery is the lifeblood of the electric scooter, storing the energy needed to power the motor. Without a good battery, even the best motor would be useless. Electric scooters use rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, just like your phone or laptop. These batteries are lightweight, have a high energy density, and can be recharged hundreds of times. They are the perfect match for the demands of electric scooters. These batteries store the electrical energy needed to power the motor. When you plug in your scooter to charge, you're essentially filling up its energy tank. The process is simple and convenient, making electric scooters a practical choice for daily commuting. The bigger the battery, the more energy it can hold, and the farther you can scoot around town on a single charge. Larger batteries mean longer rides, less frequent charging, and more freedom to explore without worrying about running out of power. Think of it like a fuel tank for your electric ride. Just as a car needs gasoline to run, your electric scooter needs a charged battery to keep going. The beauty of it is that you can recharge it at home, at work, or even at a public charging station, making it incredibly versatile and user-friendly. Now let's talk about how you control all that power. Remember, we're dealing with electricity here, not gasoline. That's where the controller comes in. It's like the scooter's brain, telling the battery when to release energy to the motor. When you twist the throttle, that little lever on the handlebar, it sends a signal to the controller saying, "Hey, let's go." The further you twist the throttle, the more power the controller sends to the motor, making the scooter go faster. It's all about controlling the flow of electrons to get the speed you want. Pretty neat, huh? Time to slow down. Electric scooters have brakes just like regular bikes, but here's the cool part. Many of them also use something called regenerative braking. What's that, you ask? It's like having a superpower that lets you recharge the battery while you brake. Here's how it works. When you hit the brakes, the motor actually reverses its role. Instead of using electricity to spin the wheel, it acts like a generator, converting the scooter's motion back into electrical energy. This energy is then fed back into the battery, giving it a little boost. It's like getting free energy while you slow down. Section 5. Zipping through the city. Benefits for commuters. Now that we know how electric scooters work, let's talk about why they're becoming so popular, especially for getting around cities. Electric scooters are revolutionizing urban mobility, offering a fresh and efficient way to navigate through the hustle and bustle of city life. First off, they're super convenient. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can unlock a scooter and be on your way in seconds. No more waiting for buses or hailing expensive cabs. Imagine whizzing past traffic jams and finding parking in a snap. No more searching for a spot. Electric scooters can zip through narrow lanes and crowded streets, making your commute faster and stress-free. Plus, they're much cheaper to operate than cars. Forget about the rising costs of gasoline and the frequent trips to the gas station. Electric scooters run on electricity, which is significantly more affordable. You don't need to buy expensive gas or worry about oil changes. Maintenance is minimal, and the cost savings add up quickly. Just plug it in and charge it up like your phone. Charging stations are becoming more common, and many scooters can be charged at home or at work, adding to their convenience. But here's the best part. Electric scooters are good for the environment. They produce zero emissions, which means they don't contribute to air pollution. They don't produce any exhaust fumes, so they help reduce air pollution in crowded cities. Cleaner air means healthier living conditions for everyone. That means cleaner air for everyone to breathe. Imagine cities with less smog and more blue skies where children can play outside without the risk of inhaling harmful pollutants. It's a win-win for commuters and the planet. By choosing electric scooters, you're not only making your commute easier and more affordable, but you're also contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. So next time you need to get around the city, consider hopping on an electric scooter and enjoy the ride. Section 6. Bumps in the road, challenges to overcome. Of course, like any new technology, electric scooters have their challenges. These challenges can range from technical issues to social and infrastructural concerns. One big one is range. The distance an electric scooter can travel on a single charge is often limited. Since they run on batteries, you can only go so far before needing to recharge. This can be particularly inconvenient for those who rely on scooters for daily commuting. This can be a problem if you have a long commute or if there aren't enough charging stations around. Imagine being stranded halfway to your destination because your scooter ran out of battery. Safety is another concern. Scooters can be fun, but it's important to ride responsibly and wear a helmet. Protective gear can make a significant difference in preventing injuries. Cities are also grappling with how to integrate scooters safely into existing traffic flow, especially on busy streets. The sudden influx of scooters has caught many cities off guard. We need clear rules and infrastructure to ensure that everyone can share the road safely. This includes designated lanes for scooters, proper signage, and public awareness campaigns to educate both riders and drivers. Following traffic rules is crucial for the safety of everyone on the road. Riders should always stop at red lights, yield to pedestrians, and avoid weaving through traffic. Using hand signals and checking blind spots can prevent accidents and make the ride smoother for everyone. It's all about being aware and considerate. Despite these challenges, electric scooters offer a convenient and eco-friendly mode of transportation. With the right measures in place, they can become a seamless part of urban mobility. Section 7. Scooters and the city shaping urban transportation. Despite the challenges, electric scooters have the potential to transform the way we think about urban transportation. Imagine cities designed with scooter lanes and charging hubs, seamlessly integrated with public transit. You could hop off the train and onto a scooter for the last leg of your journey, all without using a drop of gasoline. Scooters can also help reduce traffic congestion, especially in crowded urban centers. By providing a convenient and affordable alternative to cars, they can encourage people to ditch their vehicles for short trips, freeing up space on the roads. Section 8. The evolution of electric scooters. What's next? The world of electric scooters is constantly evolving. Engineers are working on new battery technologies to extend range and shorten charging times. Smarter scooters with advanced safety features like collision avoidance systems are also on the horizon. Imagine scooters that can talk to each other and to traffic lights, creating a safer and more efficient flow of traffic. The possibilities are exciting. As technology continues to advance, we can expect electric scooters to become even more integrated into our urban landscapes. Section 9. Scooting into the future. So there you have it, the science behind electric scooters and their potential to revolutionize urban mobility. From their zippy motors and rechargeable batteries to their eco-friendly nature, these little machines are changing the way we move around cities. As we look towards a future of smarter and more sustainable cities, electric scooters are sure to play an increasingly important role. So next time you see someone scooting by, remember the ingenuity and innovation packed into that little ride. It's more than just a scooter, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation.